Hello, my name is Mattamy, and I'd like to welcome you to Upper Joshua Creek, Mattamy's most sought-after community in the prestigious city of Oakville. Today, I'd like to welcome you to the Kingsley, at just over 2,700 square foot, 10-foot ceilings, and bathrooms galore. If you're looking for a home where space will never be an issue, congrats, you found it. Shall we? Welcome to your foyer, one you'd want to spend time in, with closet space and a cozy window seat. Step on up, where you will find an essential powder room, just where it should be. The Kingsley's multi-level, open concept layout welcomes you into an elegant dining room that flows organically into the family room with a gas fireplace and a touch of decorative drama from the waffle ceilings overhead. Your kitchen is a dream come true, with ample storage, a customizable niche, an oversized kitchen island, and a breakfast area for those casual, comfortable meals. 8-foot sliding glass doors leads you to a stunning deck for those enchanted summer evenings where you can host incredible dinner parties. After dinner, retire to an elevated great room and enjoy the ambiance, and step out onto your covered balcony where you might be able to catch a sunset. Welcome to the master retreat with 10-foot tray ceilings, a giant walk-in closet, and a master ensuite. With a full glass shower with a dry-off area, a freestanding oval tub, and double vanities. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are nicely separated by the main bath, and a loft makes a great home office or a 4th bedroom. You can also gain access to your home through your garage on the lower level, where you'll also find the handy mudroom and a full-size laundry room. So there you have it, the incredible Kingsley in the prestigious community of Upper Joshua Creek. Come see for yourself the endless possibilities of a home that defines fun, comfort, and prestige all in one. Click the link in the description below to learn more.